can be very confusing to look at, but once you know exactly which parts of the music make which differences to the tune, it's as straightforward as color by numbers. I'm Ruth Roland, the Fiddle Geek, with a tutorial on note reading for fiddlers. Subscribe and hit the notification bell so you know when the next one posts. This is a learn by doing tutorial, so I've linked sheet music below in case you have a printer where you can print it off. If you don't worry, I'll show you how to make staff paper from regular lined paper, notebook paper, in a minute. But first, let's look at how to tell what the tune is going to be from the music. There's a lot going on with sheet music, but the part of the note that makes the difference to the tune is the note head, or the round part of the note. And on each line, the higher notes are the higher notes, like the E string notes on your fiddle, and the lower notes are the lower notes, like the G string notes on your fiddle. So it's very intuitive, right? It means what you think it means. We bring in a staff to tell us where the lines of music are, for one thing, and also a helpful indicator as to exactly which notes are higher than the other ones, right? Because some of them are very close together, but you see, for the close together ones, one of them has a line going through it and the other one does not. So the staff helps distinguish the notes that are a little bit lower from the notes that are a little bit higher. And so now that we know what a staff is for, let's make some staff paper. You'll need some lined paper, straight edge, and either a colored pencil or a pen that doesn't smear. We're going to actually write the music when we get to it with a regular pencil because it's easier to erase. Okay, so here I have my notebook paper. I have my straight edge. You can use a ruler, but the only ruler I can find is a yardstick. So I'm using this hole punch. I have a colored pencil, and I'll be using, I don't have a sharp one. I'll be using a regular pencil to write the notes. So I take the straight edge and I put it along one of the lines of the lined paper, and I just color it over with pen or colored pencil, and I count down 4, 3, 2, 1 spaces and put the line along the bottom of that last space. Then, if you want, you can color in the side of it if you want. And then we number the spaces from the bottom up. The spaces are numbered 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is the first space from the bottom. And the lines start at the bottom too. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 4 spaces and 5 lines. When we write notes, when we draw notes on the staff paper, if we're drawing on a space, we want to make sure to touch the top line and the bottom line, delineating the space, right? This is the top line and the bottom line. We don't want to make a little note here, and we don't want to leak over the lines, right? Because that's too hard to tell what it means, whether it's on this line or on this space. It's note reading is very precise. Likewise, when we're doing the notes on a line, we want to start about halfway through the space and go halfway through the bottom space, and so the line is going through it, and you don't have to color over the line. If you're doing a ledger line, a staff extension, so you'll have to make a short line about the size of a space away from the top line and draw a note over the top. This is all I do, just the top line, the bottom line, and then I have my notes, and that's it. That's all there is to it. So now, looking at your staff, what does this mean? The lowest space, the space between the bottom 2 lines, is space number 1. And for fiddles, that space, that bottom space, means the note F. So a note written on that bottom space is the note F. F for fiddle. The spaces from the bottom up spell the word face. That's a nice friendly word. And as long as you remember face, you don't need to think about the lines. The notes do go in alphabetical order, so that from A, the line above A is B, and the space above B is C, and then comes D and E, F, G. And so they do go in alphabetical order. And that's why you don't need to remember all the lines. As long as you know as long as you know face and you know the alphabet, just go from there. The musical alphabet is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, and so on. It starts over after G, because there are only 7 letters in the musical alphabet. So after G comes A. And we also need to know the alphabet backwards. G, F, E, D, C, B, A, G, F, E, D, C, B, A, G, F, E, and so on. And that's helpful for, counting backwards on the staff in case we're not sure what a note is. Good. So spaces are face, and that A right on the staff is open A. Lucky us, right? So open A, and then the top space is space number 4. The top space is open E. And the fingers on the A string, 1, 2, 3, are the lines and spaces in between A and E. So it all makes sense, right? The notes on the fiddle get higher as you go higher on the page, and the notes go higher, right, from A to E. Good. So then going up from E, we have F and G, and then in order to write the next note, we need a staff extension because we're out of staff, but we can just make a teeny little line and write the third finger note there, right? So E, 1, 2, 3, and then even 4, we can make another teeny little line and put the 4th finger note on top of that. But we're not talking about all the notes today, so we're going to just satisfy ourselves with the open strings. That was just a preview of coming attractions. All right, so since we're doing open strings, right, we need to do the other 2 open strings. So D, where is the note D? Well, we have a D right below E, but it really wouldn't make sense for the D string to be above the A string, and we already know that's the 3rd finger on the A. So let's count down from A, or actually we can jump down to F and count down from there. F, E, D, and that D is open D right there hanging out at the bottom of the staff. Cool, huh? So now we're going to count down from D to find out where our open G string is. So D and the little ledger line C, and below the line B, and then another ledger line for A, and then hanging out below that ledger line is G. Great. So now we have D and G. D is on top of G, which means we have to play them together. Just like that. If we want to play them one by one, let's move that G to the side a little bit. And now we have each of the strings. We can play them one at a time, and it's easy to tell where they are, especially if we remember face, right? And the G string is very distinctive. Just remember that there are 2 ledger lines, right? And the D is hanging out underneath the staff. E is the top space, and A, that's a little bit more wiggly, but if you remember face, you know that it's the 2nd space. All right? So your homework is to practice writing these open strings, and when you're really comfortable with those, you can go on to the next video, and this may only take a few minutes actually to really solidify the knowledge of where those open strings are. You can write them on top of each other, you can write them next to each other, practice playing what you wrote, right? And then I'll meet you in the next video. We'll be talking about rhythm. See you there.